Alright guys, how's going on? So, part 2 of the downpipe. We really, whoa, it's a bear. So, we've got the back outlet of the turbo. I've got 2 of these. I was gonna hopefully just bolt everything together, but the problem is this hits, if you just do a 90 out, it goes right into the drive axle. So what I need to do is basically do one of these. So either gotta cut the pipe, or I'm probably gonna cut the pipe so it's close, nice and flush, and then have it so it's angled so it goes back this degree, so back of the, so this is what needs to happen. Right now this doesn't work. This needs to work because this interferes with the sway bar, and this interferes with the drive axle, and it's just easier to go. And then I'll still be able to retain the V-clamp on the bottom, but this is going to have to be custom. I'm going to have to do a lot of cutting and welding. No way around it. Then I got to figure out the angle. I mean, I just need an angle like that, really. It needs to be more flush to the pipe, to the turbo side. So, time to cut, time to measure. Let's do this. Time to weld. This V-clamp. Get a little better idea how we want to set this thing up. Oh, see how that flipped. So we got a couple problems. First is this interferes with the bolts. So this is gonna have to be cut too. And it needs to go like that. Which means I need an angle. And that requires some drawing. So basically, we need to get it to go like this, and we need it. So we put this on. Then we put this on. See where we're at here. Alright. So it won't fit. Nothing fits. Because I'm interfering here with a bunch of stuff. There's a bunch of stuff in the way here. Well, you can see I have to go like this. I'm gonna go like angle out like that. So I cut the bottom of the pipe, flush it in some more. Yeah. Okay, so that's where the O2 bone's gonna, well, line up. So you want it off a little bit, like that, and then that, and that'll give me my angle I'm looking for. And yeah, should work. Let's bolt it. Let's do some welding. All right, so what a day. It's almost 5 o'clock and the sun's not even going down, but we did it. Downpipe's done. It's in, it goes right where I need it to go. We're gonna put it in and button it up and yeah, put it in. I used a little putty just to smooth it over so I'm not catching anything rough on the welds, but it's in there solid. This is gonna be good. Yeah, that was kind of fun. Pain, but it fits. It freaking fits. It's in there. It's right where I need it to be. It's not interfering with anything. It's just nice. So we're gonna put this in and we're calling it a day and work on the exhaust next time.